लेबर एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट डिपार्टमेंट तर्फे एम्प्लॉयमेंट कार्डाचे लॉन्च करपाची जशें आमच्या कमिशनरान म्हणलें अ कार्ड विच वील बी आयडेंटिटी फॉर एवरी पर्सन whether he is a government servant, whether he is employed or whether he is unemployed, which will have a unique identity. It will be linked to the Aadhaar, it will be linked to the NCS portal, the portal which will launch, the central portal from employment exchange which will launch somewhere in October. आणि हाज्या खातीर जो मनीस ते कार्ड आसतलें ते कार्डान ताजे सगळो डेटाय फिलअप जाल्लो आसतलो. जो जॉब एस्पिरंट आसता, जो अनएम्प्लॉयड आसता, जो जॉब फेराक वता, बाकी कडेन वता, ईच किऑस्का कडेन वता and then he starts sending he goes with a bunch of his own biodata so he can give it along with the interviews. That will stop. He will be allowed to move only with a card reader which will be there in the place that every company's thing on a job fair. When the card they view, his whole data will be there. Whatever schemes he takes from the Labor and Employment Department, those schemes also will get inbuilt. This is very important is there was always the thing that unemployed youth with a huge line, a huge queue in the labor and employment offices to ensure that they register themselves and manual registration जाल्ल्या खातीर खुबश्या भुरग्यांचो टायम थंय वतालो. आतां वचपाची गरज ना. आतां आमी 28 फेब्रुवारी 2019 पर्यंत टायम लायन दवरिल्ली आसा. There is also opportunity for people at every point of time, whether he is changing his job or whether he is changing his profile or skill sets. He has to only change his profiling, skill sets, everything, and the card automatically gets updated as per what his present profile is. And हातूंतल्यान एक employment exchangeतल्यान एक important initiative, जातूंतल्यान manual card is been discontinued, manual registration has been discontinued. And online registration marfat, the new smart card which will be given to every youth of Goa, that card आता 28 फेब्रुवारीच्या पयलीं भुरग्यांनी register करचें आनी जशे every time job vacancies येतल्यो बाकीचे applicability येतली, this card will be of maximum use. हे करता आसतना गव्हर्मेंट स्कीम्स खंयच्यो त्यो अवेल करतात, ताजो प्रोसिजर कितें आसा आनी ते कितें अवेल करता त्यो सुद्दां तांकां त्या कार्डाचेर तांकां ज्या एप्लिकंटान स्किम्स घेतल्या ताचेर मॅक्झिमम इट वील रिफ्लेक्ट. सर्वसामान्य मनशाक हू इज अ registered under construction worker, he was not getting any benefit, and as per statute, as per the act, the board which was formed, we were saying that some schemes needed to be implemented. Last time आमी तो बोर्डाच्या अंडर we had launched schemes, and as today we are going and giving one set of schemes to about few applicants which we have gone ahead. So it is not only remaining on paper, we are very happy to announce that we are getting into implementation stage where building and construction workers जितले registration जाता, जशे आमचे ambitious target is to touch 30,000 in the next 4 to 5 months. Commissioner 10,000 सांगले तरी जाल्यार around 30,000 is the expected target that we have taken for registration of people under building and construction workers. This will be again backhand will be handled by jail, and we are expecting cooperation from municipal councils and panchayats where we will be able to fill up, get the registrations done and ensure that the schemes run to the masses ज्यांका खरी गरज आसा तांच्या family, whether it is trainings or whether it is implementation of schemes. Yes, labor